welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 6 healthy smoothies that are great for your kidneys. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is crucial for your overall health. These smoothies are packed with nutrients that can help support your kidneys and keep them functioning at their best. Let's get started. Our first smoothie is a powerhouse of green goodness. We're calling it the Green Detox Smoothie because it's loaded with spinach, kale, and cucumber. These ingredients are like superheroes for your kidneys, helping to flush out toxins and keep things running smoothly. Spinach and kale are packed with vitamins and minerals that support kidney health. They are naturally low in potassium, which is something to keep in mind if you're watching your potassium intake. Cucumber is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps your body get rid of excess water and waste through urine production. This is super beneficial for your kidneys as it reduces the workload on these essential organs. Remember, a healthy diet and lifestyle are crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. So give this green detox smoothie a try and feel the difference. Next up, we have the Berry Blast Smoothie, bursting with flavor and antioxidants. This smoothie features blueberries and strawberries, which are famous for their antioxidant power. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can harm your kidneys. Blueberries are low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, making them an excellent choice for individuals with kidney problems. They are also a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and fiber. Strawberries, on the other hand, are a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and folate. They contain enzymes that may help regulate blood pressure, which is essential for kidney health. Remember to choose organic berries whenever possible to reduce your exposure to pesticides. So blend up a delicious Berry Blast smoothie and give your kidneys a healthy boost of antioxidants. Get ready for a taste of the tropics with our tropical turmeric smoothie. This smoothie combines the sweetness of pineapple and mango with a touch of turmeric, a spice known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that can help reduce inflammation and swelling. This can be beneficial for individuals with kidney inflammation or those prone to kidney stones. Mangoes are rich in vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants. They are also a good source of fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote digestive health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin has been shown to protect the kidneys from damage caused by toxins and inflammation. So sip on this tropical turmeric smoothie and let the anti-inflammatory goodness work its magic. Don't let the color fool you. This beetroot and apple smoothie is as delicious as it is healthy. Beetroot is a star player in this smoothie, known for its ability to improve blood flow, including to your kidneys. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Apples, with their natural sweetness, add a refreshing balance to this smoothie. They are also a good source of fiber and antioxidants, contributing to overall health. Remember that balance is key. While beetroot is beneficial for kidney health, it's essential to consume it in moderation, especially if you have a history of kidney stones. So give this vibrant smoothie a try and enjoy the benefits of beetroot and apple. Get ready for a zesty boost with our citrus ginger smoothie. This refreshing blend combines the tangy goodness of oranges with a hint of ginger. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your kidneys. They are also a good source of potassium, essential for maintaining electrolyte balance. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe the digestive system. Enjoy this smoothie in moderation to support your kidney health. Blend up this zesty citrus ginger smoothie and give your taste buds a treat. Enjoy the creamy and satisfying avocado and banana smoothie. Rich in potassium, it helps maintain electrolyte balance and supports kidney function. Avocado adds creamy texture and healthy fats. It's also a good source of fiber and vitamins. Bananas provide potassium and energy-boosting carbs. Enjoy this smoothie as part of a balanced diet. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these 6 delicious and healthy smoothie recipes that are great for your kidneys. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is essential for overall health and well-being. Be sure to incorporate these smoothies into your diet and enjoy the benefits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. See you next time.